As you can see, I'm working in this house. I'm so tired, but still I'm inside. This life, you have to actually understand your purpose, your interest. Don't give up. You don't know where life will end you up. Don't give up. Anyhow it is, just try and manage it. This life is very peaceful, and if you understand your life is very simple, that you don't have to rush. Okay, this is the house I want to work. I already mow this place, so I also want to water this place before then I'll go to the back. Here's the back. That's my wheelbarrow already. Then my machine too is over there, so I'm dressing this place very nicely. Yes, today is Sunday, but actually I have to work here. I also trimmed the flower at the front there, and I mowed this place very nicely. So it remains the next place I have to mow there. Then I'll complete this house today. Yes. Brother, one thing I'll tell you is that laziness is a bad disease. Laziness is a bad disease. It harms your health. Once you start, it is difficult for you to stop. So brother, don't start laziness. Stay active, stay relevant. Try to feel like you are also important to some people. Don't feel like that's the end of your life. Life has a decision. Let your decision should be very important than any other noise. Guys, subscribe my YouTube channel, it's very important. Today we finish this place. Everything look nice. See the back. Everything for this house has completed for today. Thank you for watching. Bye.